Parkfield Primary School after the flood. It's looking pretty grim. We've got an absolutely full skip which is full of flooring, but we are open for reception through to year 3, and while our years 4, 5 and 6 are at St Anne's Academy, this is why they're there. So this is our entrance hall, which was flooded, and that's one of, I don't know how many, dehumidifiers. Coming through to the main building, there's Dave doing a grand job, another dehumidifier, and into the main offices, there's Mrs Ryan doing a sterling job as normal. Into my office, which is a little bit makeshift, and into Mr Kemp's office. It's just noisy everywhere. Through to back on the main corridor, everything's been displaced because we've had to remove floors. This is the staff room. Well, it's not really a staff room anymore, but... And this is why we can't have lunches in the hall, because all of Key Stage 2 furniture and library furniture has had to be put into the hall, which was flooded as well. So now we're into Key Stage 2, which is the library, or was the library. Year 6, I miss them so much, and it's a really important year, but you can see there is absolutely no way that we can open any of the Key Stage 2 classrooms. Our cloakrooms are now in Key Stage 2 shared area. There's still puddles of water. That's the original Parkfield flooring. Everything was brown and yellow when the school was built, so it's historical information. Year 3. So upsetting walking around. And year 4. An awful lot of work has actually gone on just to get to this stage since the floods at the weekend. But I hope parents can appreciate that we've done our utmost, but the level of damage was really, really catastrophic, for want of a better word. We've flooded previously, but never had this level of damage in the school. But it's great to see all the children in reception, year 1, year 2 and year 3. And thanks to parents for their efforts to get the children into schools, whether here or at St Anne's. Thank you. Bye.